Alright, we're here in Gordonsville, Virginia, Old Louisa Road, helping Mr. West out. This is the right slope. We are going to do an attempt to repair on this one shingle on the right slope. So the main shingles that got damaged were on the left and right. So you can see that there's a crease line that goes this way. We are going to make an attempt to repair this without damaging any of the ones above. First, I have to find the end of it because this one I actually don't know where the end of this one is. I'm guessing this is actually the end key because over here you can see where one key is longer than the other. So I'm going to first check to see that one, but I have to then take all the nails out. Based on the other side, it looks like it is high nailed, so I will probably only need to take it on one row. So this is going to be my attempt. So first, loosen all these shingles. Alright, very easy. Let's validate. Yep, that's the end. So, as I guessed before, it is high nailed. Seems like every shingle is high nailed here, so I'm going to have to try to take that out.
Come here.
So it is.
Can you
right
record?
here.
I gotta blow my nose so bad. Just keep it on.
And again, issues because of the high nail. Alright, this one is having issues coming out as well. I have to attempt to do this on every single repair. Cross. And then just taken out again. Brandon, you see? Crease line starting to form. Crease line already starting to form. You can see the right side on this one. See right here? Crease line starting to form. Crease line starting to form on this entire one. Crease line starting to form. So, entire right slope is already repairable. That's just after taking the nails, this one. And I have to go up. No, Brandon, continue filming. So, keep filming. I'm going to have to now take the other nails because these were actually not completely high nailed in every area. So I am actually going to have to find these as well. So up to here, it seems like. All right, there's that one. There's this one. This is actually how all of them are supposed to be. There. See, these actually did grab on. Alright. Cause any further damage. It looks like it did cause a little bit of damage to this one. So right there caused a little bit of damage. So damaged 4 shingles during the repair. Well, 4 tabs during the repair. So every single repair on the right side will take about 4 tabs of damage. So 2 shingles over there did about the same, about 3 tabs for everyone. So right and left slopes are irreparable.